Welcome back to our channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, your time. Guys, thank you for your continued support. The video you're about to watch is some of the protesters that were arrested today in the Lekki toll gate. Their conditions are not good before and after they were arrested. Watch and let me know your thoughts below. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and turn your bell on. You get to know when we upload new video. Please watch.
Safety is very, very important. Safety is very, very important. But regardless, if you decide to stay, it's a very wise decision. Because everyone knows what is going on in Nigeria. Everyone knows what is going on in Nigeria. We all know what is going on in this country. So, but at the same time, some of us too will not just look that because this is happening. I don't know. Well, my conscience no gree me rest. My conscience no gree me rest, knowing fully well what happened at this toll gate. If you ask me, it's not the right time to be talking about toll gate opening or no opening. Calm down first. Calm down. Calm down first. Everything was calm. People were already going about their businesses. Everything was calm. In fact, you will notice that the police they've been behaving recently. So everything was calm, but all of a sudden you just wake up and you say toll gate is the next thing. Why? Just calm down. Let them finish all the investigation. Who has been prosecuted?
Nobody has been prosecuted.
Since this thing happened, who has been prosecuted?
This guy, lady,
Protest is our right. Protest is our right. We keep protesting. We get justice. Protest is our right. They are already beating us. Yeah, they are already manhandling us. We are not going to step down. We are not going to step down. He beats me well. He beats me. Who beats
the man don't go to and you in person. Put your face for that. Put your face for that. Put your face for that. Wow, are you a musician? Hey, you will catch you. This man, go join that one for this guy macaroni. Go join them there. What put you into this mess now? Which mess? They know what they are doing now. Go on, go by. Come and sit down here. Sit down here.
Why yet? What do we gain? We're not getting anything. Tinubu, you are a loser. Sanwo-Olu, you are a loser. Buhari regime, your regime is already a failed one. The little things you are doing it for doing sake, because your regime is already a failed one. Tinubu, if you enter president seat, Tinubu, I mean it. Any day you step your foot on that Aso Rock and sit on that seat, that is the day the thunder of God will strike you to death. You will not reign in that seat, Tinubu. You will not be a president of Nigeria. You will not. Because you are a bad leader. You are a cause to Nigeria, Tinubu. All you people want is all the Fulanis that you people imported into Nigeria has become a problem to Nigeria. And as I said earlier, Fulani henchmen are not from Nigeria. They have been denied by the Northerners. The Northerners are using them against Nigeria. The Northerners are using Fulani henchmen against West and East part of Nigeria. We need to send them back to their country. They need to go back. They have been used. against Nigeria. So they need to go back to their country. They need to go back to Togo. They need to go back to Benin. They need to go back to their place where they are coming from. They need to go back to Senegal. They are Senegals. They are from Senegalese. That's where they are. They need to go back. Tinubu, you are a loser. You will die a miserable death. No to opening of. There will be no opening on Lekki Toll Gate. I stand and I said no. They will not open it. No, occupy Lekki Toll Gate. I stand with them. NSAS, occupy Lekki Toll Gate. Police officers, you people are fools. Look at the way you equipped yourself for a civilian, for your own fellow Nigerian that is fighting for their rights. I am so happy to see the youths of Lagos State waking up again. You people think that you will intimidate us with these policemen unarmed. We are not scared. Let me sound this as a warning to all the Nigerian youths. Please, everybody should march forward to Lekki Toll Gate. If you are in Lagos, come there. Davido, you should be there. Flavor, you should be there. I didn't call this other boy. What's their name? In short, all the musicians that's based in Lagos, people should be there. Two-Face, P-Square, whether rude boy or rude girl you call yourself, you people should be there right now. We need you put there right now. I didn't call her. The other one, Patoranki, you should be there. Yemi Alade, go there. We need you put there right now. Because you know one thing, Wizkid, I see how you and Davido have been fooling yourself, all social media, competing on what you are buying. Then imagine this actor, how they call him, Zubin, you are there showing yourself, showing your cars. How many are you riding? When we are fighting for the freedom of this country. If there is no freedom, you will not write those your useless cans that you are showcasing on Facebook. We have not even seen where you have helped any orphanage home. It's only Ushemba that is doing something reasonable among the actors and the actresses. I don't even know what you are using your money for. You showcase cars. That is what you have been busy doing. Then Wizkid and Davido, people are competing on who come on wristwatch. You are buying it for 10 million when you cannot even fence a compound in your village. What a shame! People should go and join them in Lekki Toll Gate. Occupy Lekki Toll Gate. Say no to bad government. Tinubu, you are a useless man and you will die miserable death. Sanwo-Olu, you will die miserable death. As long as people want to use duress. You want to use intimidation. You want to use military on us to reopen Lekki Toll Gate. Lekki Toll Gate will not open. The world, please share this message. Let this thing go around to the whole world. Canada should come to our rescue. United Nations should come to our rescue. They can never reopen Lekki Toll Gate where souls has been killed. They have not answered our 5 agenda. To increase the salary of the police, to increase the salary of the army, to cut down the salary of the senators. That is what we want. We want these things are the major purpose that we want. And they must come and apologize to those that lost their life in Lekki Toll Gate. They will come to apologize to their family. Tinubu has not done that. Sanwo-Olu has not done that. The army command of Lagos said that it was Tinubu that sent them with Sanwo-Olu. Yes. They have not come to the panel. They have not gone to the panel. Yet they want to go and open Lekki Toll Gate. They want to reopen it. No, they will not open Lekki Toll Gate. They will not collect their money, that money. Lekki Toll Gate has been down and it's going to be down forever until justice has been done. We need justice. We need justice. I said no to bad government. No to Lekki. They will not open Lekki Toll Gate. Occupy Lekki Toll Gate. We are saying no to bad government. There is nothing you people can do about it. If you like, see any youth that those thugs, they are, you people should make sure you prepare and wait for them. If they face you people should face them. Don't leave that Lekki Toll Gate. This time around, let me say this to you. This is the opportunity. This second chance is the final chance. Until they answer us, that is where this protest will stop. No police can shoot anybody. Those that arrest, let me say this to you guys. The 6th agenda, every soul that have been arrested from the police must be released. That is the 6th agenda. Then this 7th agenda, let them open our account. The feminized account must be open. They freeze it. Even the thieves that have been looting our money to other countries, they have not freezed the account. We say no to bad leaders. We say no to bad government. We are standing and we will win. No opening of Lekki Toll Gates. Enough is enough. Look at this useless top. Look at this pot belly police officer. Is this a police officer? Look at his tummy, so big, and they are eating our money. Yeah, they want us to die in suffering. We are no to bad government, and we are standing for peace, and we must win. Youth, Igbos, Yorubas, Deltas, Port Harcourt. See, Igbos, Yoruba, and Hausas. Leave those Fulani fools, those Muslims, they are commenting rubbish. Those ones, they are already animals. And Boko Haram will keep finishing them in knots. They are dying there silently because Boko Haram has been their problem. I don't know why they are intruding into this, sending useless comments. Don't look at their comments. Don't look at their discouragement. We stand as one. Nigeria must better, and Nigeria must survive, and Nigeria must gain his. Nigeria must gain her freedom. No to reopening of Lekki Toll Gate. Occupy Lekki Toll Gate. I stand with people. I am not around. I would have been there. Youth, if you betray yourself this time around, then we will not gain this freedom anymore. All youth to Lekki Toll Gate. Davido, go and spend your money there. Flavor, go and spend your money there. P-Square, go and spend your money there. No more sending money into accounts. Anything you want to drop, go and drop it in that Lekki Toll Gate there. Nobody is allowed to send money into anybody's account. Anything you want to go and drop it there. Any support should go to Lekki Toll Gate. The policeman we are saying, and for that dwarf who said that is to defend the sighting of violence. There is no violence in peaceful protesters. There is no violence. There is no violence. There is peace. Hold your hoodlums. Hold your hoodlums. Hold your talks. If they tear it, then people will gain. You will get what you don't expect. Yes to good government. Yes to Nigeria youth. Up we go. We say no to bad leaders. Look at them. Since they have been kidnapping all these police officers, we were people fools. They are using you. And meanwhile, you are fighting for your own good. They are using you. You people are cows. Go, you will go. Sit, you will sit. Shoot, you will shoot. All youth, go to Lekki Toll Gate. Let's see how many they will arrest. And let me say this as a sound of warning. Before this protest will end again, they must release every youth that have been arrested on this protest. And our account, Feminine account, must be released. Because we want to use the money to equip those ones that have lost their lives, lost their home. Imagine the foolish police went to destroy the house where people are managing by Lekki Toll Gate. That is why they are cows. Police will remain fools. And you, Nigeria police, you people are fools. You people are cow. You people are idiots. You are lonentity. Fools, that's what you are. Tinubu, you will die miserable deaths. Sanwo-Olu, you will die miserable deaths. And you will never gain anything from Lekki Toll Gate. United Nations, please come to our rescue. We don't want Lekki Toll Gate to be open again. Locked and locked forever until justice is done to the Nigeria youths. Up we go.